Hey party people, this is Zach from visionswell.com, products and principles for a simple, serene life. And today we're taking a look again at the Orbitkey 2-in-1 tech pouch. I did a full review and loadout on the Terracotta version of this tech pouch last week, and you can check out my channel for that full video if you want to see my full minimalist EDC tech loadout, as well as a full review of this tech pouch that is on my channel. But I also wanted to talk today about these two new colorways for the 2-in-1 tech pouch that are in the blue and the olive color. And this is the terracotta color here, and it also comes in a lilac color as well as black. So depending on how you want to accessorize your loadout and what color looks best with your gear, you can pick whatever color you want, and that could really thematically add to your tech loadout and make it look really nice. So these 2-in-1 tech pouches retail for $79, and they're made from really high quality recycled materials. And I can show you the functionality by popping these other two new colorways open. So we'll open up the blue one here, and it just comes with this nice little exterior. So we'll do a little unboxing here. It says 2-in-1 tech pouch, everything you need at your fingertips without the bulk. And then if you flip it over, it tells you there's a collapsible divider for versatile storage, twin pouch organization system, integrated fold down front panel, and an external zip pocket with a cable pass through. So we can go over all those features here. So again, I'm just going to rip this open so you can get a better look at it. As compared to the terracotta version, this is the blue version here. And it looks really nice, and it's nice and bright. And then we can look at the olive version as well. So I'll go ahead and rip that open. And then you can see all three of these colors next to each other and how they look different and how they pop different kinds of colors for you. I actually really like all three of these colors, but if I was going to pick which one I used most regularly, I'd probably pick the olive version. I just love earth tones, and I think this olive is really nice looking. I mean, the blue is really nice looking too. It's super bright and easy to see. Same with the terracotta. But I think the olive would be the one that I choose that goes with most of my gear. And I also wear a lot of olive clothing, so it kind of fits in. It's also interesting to note that the blue one and the terracotta both have zipper pulls that are the same color as the bag, whereas the olive one has these gray accents. So you have the dark gray, almost charcoal zipper pull, and then this light gray pull tab. And I think the contrast looks really nice here. So let's take a closer look again at the inside of this tech pouch, and you can see all of its features real quick. So taking a look at the front here, you see this nice little Orbitkey logo that's a little bit shiny. You have those nice gray zipper pulls I mentioned, as well as PU-coated zipper tracks that are in this charcoal darker gray color. So if you open up the external pocket here, you can see this front pocket, and it doesn't have any internal organization. You can see this little metal clip here. And this is a great place to put items you want quick access to. It could be your wallet, your cell phone, or you could use this pocket to charge with this little pass-through here that we'll go over and bring a cord through, and you can use a portable charger on the inside, pass a cord through here, and then plug your phone in or any other device and kind of just tuck it in here. So it's just a nice little pocket, and it has a nice gray interior. The other side of the bag is just flat. You have a little nylon grab handle here that feels very beefy. It also has a really nice shiny Orbitkey logo on it. The bottom is super flat, so it allows this bag to stand up on its own. So now we can check out the internal compartment, or the main compartment of this. So if you open that nice zipper, you can see there's some organization in here. There's two large kind of squared off pockets where you could fit a mouse, a battery backup, any kind of GAN charger, things like that. You also have these stretchy mesh pockets behind these where you can add additional organization for smaller gear or things you want to keep flat against the back of the bag. You have this little metal clip here that you can actually pull out, and then this divider will collapse, and this is where the cable pass-through is. So if you had a portable charger in here, you could pass a cable through this little hole and get to this external pocket like I mentioned. So these are really nice little pockets here. Then I can pull out the secondary pouch, and you can see that there's a really large open cavity here where you could store all types of gear, large items, over-the-ear headphones, anything like that would fit in this large pocket here. You have these nice gussets on the side so that it doesn't flop entirely open, and it allows you to open this clamshell for easy access, but it won't flop open so violently that everything falls out because of these gussets. And then on the back wall here, you have 3 stretchy mesh pockets. For other small gear, you could put pens, you could put USB drives, you could put SD cards, cables, adapters, things like that would all fit well in here. And then the main selling point of this is that it also comes with this secondary pouch. So ideally, you'd put your things that you don't use as often in the larger pouch here, and you could keep that in your backpack or in your messenger bag, and then you would have that tucked away, but when you need it, it would be contained. And then this would be the smaller pouch that you put on your desktop, and then you're able to have quick access to the tech gear that you use most frequently. So this is a nice little pouch here. It also has a PU coated zipper with the gray accents. It has the nice little Orbitkey logo here. And then like it said on that little cardboard description card, it has a fold front design so that you can actually, when this is loaded out, sit it on a desktop, and then you have easy access to view all of your gear, and it kind of just sits like a little desk caddy that you can sit on top of your desk, and then you have easy access. So if we look on the inside of this little pouch, you have a pen sleeve here that's elastic, good place to put a pen. Then you have this little fabric covered plastic divider in the middle that feels really nice and durable. And then you have some elastic loops that you can store gear in. So you have these 2 big elastic loops if you wanted to keep something larger. And then you have 3 medium-sized loops that you could easily fit additional gear or cables into. And then if you flip this around, on the back side, you have 3 little elastic mesh pockets that are stretchy. They have really high quality mesh. It feels really nice in the hand. It's soft, it's stretchy. And then you have a little bit of extra volume in the bottom here and a little bit of extra volume in the bottom here if you have even larger items that you want to kind of press down into the bottom, and that would also help it stand better on its own. So like I said, you could fold this down, keep it on your desk, and you have a nice little desk caddy here. And then when you're finished with it, you can just zip it up and put it into the main larger tech compartment, and it fits right into that sleeve here. And then you can close this up, and it gives you the flexibility to store a ton of different tech gear depending on your use cases in different compartments in here. Have a little desk caddy for the stuff you use most frequently, and also fit all kinds of large items like a mouse, large brick chargers, portable chargers, over-ear headphones, anything like that. So I think for $79 that this is a super nice tech pouch, and I really like that it comes in a multitude of colors so that you can accessorize the way you'd like to aesthetically. I think I'm gonna go with this olive one for my everyday use cases, but I just wanted to mention that this and the blue are 2 new limited colorways. I think they're for a limited time only. And if you want to pick those up, I would suggest you do so. I have links in the description below. And yeah, overall, I think Orbitkey is just making some really nice tech pouches. They've really stepped their game up beyond just key organizers. And I think all the products that they've made thus far have been very premium and well designed and well built. So they're definitely worth checking out. If you like these tech organizer reviews, please like, comment, and subscribe because it really helps the channel out. And I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.